Hello, everyone. I want to point out some resources that are available to you to help you with these exercises. And a lot of people may never even click on this link here because it says instructor note and they think maybe that's for the instructor. No, it's from the instructor. So if you want help with the assignments, click on these videos that are in here. And I'm going to look at one of them with you here, and we won't play the whole thing. But just to show you, this video
Hello and
is
welcome to challenge
actually,
activity 1.2.1, declaring class. Here we're going to be creating a class. It says declare a class named patient data that contains two attributes named height inches and weight pounds. Okay,
all right, so that's Dr. Gina Cooper, and she wrote the courses, and she has these videos in here that actually walk you through parts of the assignment. So feel free to look into any of those that you think might help you. And